Looking ahead, NOAA announcing they're keeping the Hurricane Hunter aircraft at PDX next winter. The high-altitude jet is used for missions aimed to collect data during atmospheric rivers. This data helps scientists and meteorologists better understand and improve forecasts. Steve Pierce was out there earlier, able to get a look inside the jet. And Steve, I know for you, pretty cool experience, huh?
Man, I was like a kid on Christmas morning.
Yeah.
Right.
Give me some more stuff to geek out on. That's a really spectacular.
Yeah.
They have a mobile Doppler radar on that jet, and they use what's called a drop son, and they shoot them through a tube. They have little parachutes. They'll go up to almost 50,000 feet. They'll drop it down through those atmospheric rivers that come in off the Pacific. They can study them, and it sends back live real-time data to the jet. And it's just like hurricane hunters going to hurricanes. That jet's been in hurricanes, in fact, several times. So very interesting. And this is where the atmospheric rivers usually impact first.